I applied for YouTube monetization and it is taking longer than expected. And yes, it has really affected my upload, but here is what is really going on. My aim in this video is to explain to you and carry you along, especially my newly subscribed family, my newly subscribers, to carry you along and tell you what is really going on. I know you must have been wondering, oh, she promised us this video, she promised us these things, and I have seen a lot of messages, a lot of requests that you guys have sent. I've not really been able to respond to all of them, almost all of them, though I respond to some of them, the ones I can't. But you know, recently I've not been in the right frame of mind to do anything, surveys or content or and even my personal stuff. I've not been able to do them because this delay has really affected me. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amugo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. In this channel we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid survey. If this is something you're interested in learning, why not go ahead, subscribe to this channel, drop me your comments, share the video so that other people can get this amazing information, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content anytime I drop them. I wasn't even in a hurry to get this monetization of a thing. I wasn't in a hurry at all. I just want to upload my videos and, you know, just do my tutorials and all of that. I got the 3,000, the first package, which is the 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, 3 upload. I got it last year, I think August or September, and I didn't want to apply for that. I wanted it to get to 4,000 watch hour, and luckily it got to 4,000 watch hours in January. Yeah, in January, when I got to that 4,000 watch hour, I said, okay, there's no need to delay this stuff again. Let me just apply for the monetization. So I checked through my channels. I saw that there was no copyright, there was no nothing. My channel was clean and ready to be applied. But one thing told me that, okay, let me just look for somebody to review my channel, you know, just to be sure, just to do a double check. You understand? So I got this Ghanaian guy. He's in one of my YouTube growth group. So he checked for me, and after reviewing it, he said my channel is okay. He got to time for he now asked, do I want us to apply together? I said, okay, let us do the monetization application together, and we started. So we applied, and I think we did something wrong, probably setting up the AdSense. We didn't do it the right way, and you know, after applying, he told me that it would take 12 hours maximum for YouTube to approve it. Even though I've seen people that said 7 hours, I said, okay, even if it takes 24 hours, I'm okay with it. I'm not really in a hurry to get this thing. I started to get worried when it got to 24 hours and YouTube hasn't responded. It is still showing under review. And I'm like, what is going on? You know, the video I uploaded before applying has peaked and started doing well. You know, normally when I upload a video and in 24 hours that video is doing 200 views, I'll be celebrating like I have done really well. This video is doing well. You understand? Based on the size of my channel, you get. But this video is doing like 400 views in 2 days, and I was like, you know, it really got me really worried, and you know, I wasn't happy. And I said, okay, let me wait. You know, every morning I will wake up, I will check, I will see that it is still under review. I'm like, what is this? I waited till 7 days. And you know, in the 6th day, I said, no, something must be wrong. And I reached out to some YouTubers, big YouTubers, people I felt, oh, these people know what I should do to get this fixed, and they didn't respond. But luckily for me, one particular creator responded to me, and we started doing it together. You know, they charge to do it, it's not free. So we started, you know, we started doing the things I've already done before, you know, just little changes. I said, okay, even though I have done this thing before, I just feel that this person may know more than me, since he has been helping people apply for monetization and it has been going through. You know, I applied again. I deleted. I don't want to go into all the details because you might get bored if I start telling you everything that I've gone through or I've done in the process of getting this channel monetized. You know, I had to delete that first AdSense because that was what YouTube support told me. I should delete it and reapply again. I did that. It still didn't go through, until me and this guy, we started another process again, reapplying, free tax, do this one, do that one. And at the end of the day, we submitted, and finally 5 days after applying for the second time, YouTube finally responded and told me that my application was rejected. Not that my channel was rejected for monetization, no. My AdSense account, that is the step 2. You cannot proceed to step 3 without completing the step 2. The step 2, they did not approve my access account. They said I need to do a little tweak, whatever, before they can approve it. We did that. We submitted it 5 days after applying the second time. So this is the third application I am doing now for the step 2. So it's really, really frustrating. I just wanted to make this video when I'm in, when I can wear this kind of smile to make this video. I have no smile for days. And apart from the YouTube stuff that has been stressing me, survey's stress is also there. A lot of challenges. In fact, life is full of challenges, but with God, we have the victory. And we cannot give up because we are alive. And being alive is the greatest gift. Bigger than money, bigger than anything. We are alive, and as long as we have life, we have hope that will overcome every challenge. So if you are out there, you're going through one struggle, one challenges, you want to start making money, you don't know who to teach you, you want to create paper, you want to do this, you want to do that, but you are alive, and that should be something to be grateful for. Do you understand? So I just want to wear a smile. I just want to be happy. Sometimes it's not easy to be happy when you're going through challenges, when you're going through things that are really hurting you and hurting your mental health. But just talk to God. With God, all things are possible. I know that this YouTube monetization application that is taking time has really affected my work on YouTube, has really affected my upload, my content creation, even my surveys. For like 2 weeks straight, I was not really concentrating on my survey work. You understand? I was not really concentrating, but I had to take a deep breath. I thought of what and words I need to do. I thought of my subscribers, I thought of my followers that might need one thing or the other, that need me to do one thing or the other for them, which is why I just picked up myself, dust my camera, and begin to think of what and words we need to do to push ourselves forward. Okay, so the first thing that I've decided to do is making a video, because a lot of people have been asking me, oh, this particular survey, does it use VPN, does it use proxy, this and that. So what I plan to do, I've already created a thumbnail for this video. I've already started researching for this particular video I want to do before this delay from YouTube monetization. Okay, so I want to make a video to show you surveys that does not require VPN or proxy, that you can participate in from anywhere in the world. You understand? That is the next video I want to do. Then after that particular video, we'll do another video that shows you how to link your PayPal to your bank account, so that you can withdraw your money from PayPal to your local bank account. You understand? So these are the things that are coming up on this channel. I want to thank everyone that has been here, that has been supporting this channel, that has been liking, watching, and one way or the other staying tuned to this channel. I want to tell you that we're going to win together. And you see, making money online this year, 2026, it's going to be possible in this channel. A lot of good stuffs are going to come up from this channel. I don't want to talk too much in this video, okay, because I just want to update you guys on what is really going on. Okay, so we have the video that show you how to participate in surveys that does not require VPN or proxy or foreign number coming up, and we also have videos that shows you how to video that shows you how to connect your PayPal to your local bank account. Okay, if you haven't created your PayPal account, there's a video on my channel that shows you how to create your PayPal account. If you have not bought your foreign number, or you don't know how to buy it, you want to buy it, don't know how to buy it, there's a video that shows you how to buy foreign number, and there's also a video that shows you how to create a foreign bank account. They are up all on my channel. And there's also a video that shows you 3 surveys you should focus on in this 2026. These are beginner friendly. Okay, go and check those videos out and use them to keep yourself busy. Okay, thank you so much for supporting this particular channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, for always checking what she drops. Thank you so much, and I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.